Okay, let's look at the patterns for part 2. We're going to first take a look at the fingering that you use and see if we can find an easy way to remember this. Okay, let's take our middle finger and play on C twice, and then you walk down to the thumb with a finger substitution. That puts you in perfect position to play your pinky on the D. And this time we're going to walk all the way down to our thumb. Play it twice and start the walk down. Then you do the exact same pattern, starting your middle finger on E, play it twice, walking down with the finger substitution. That puts your fifth finger on F, play it twice, and walk all the way to the thumb. Instead of doing the 3-note walk down, we're going straight to the 5-note walk down. Play twice and walk all the way down. Then we do the same thing on the A. All right, let's do that one again. Follow along. I'll play nice and slow. Middle finger on C. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when all the lights are low. And that is the end of part 2. Let's get into part 3.